Hello, fifth graders. Today we are going to be exploring our interactive ebooks that can be found in our OPAC on the Martha Jones Library website. Hopefully you remember how to get to the Martha Jones Library website. You can either just Google Martha Jones Library, or you can use the home button on your screen and then under libraries click Martha Jones Library. Once you're here, you're going to click our little blue friend OPAC to get us to our OPAC. All right, once here, the interactive ebooks that we have in our collection are called Lightbox books. So you're going to click in the search and type the word Lightbox. Lightbox, all one word. Click go. This is a list of all of our different interactive ebooks, and you can use these anywhere, anytime. Today we're going to be looking at the book about Aztecs, because we've been talking about Hispanic Heritage Month. The first book on here with the cover that has a picture is on our shelves. The book underneath it, the green cover, is our interactive ebook. But you have to click the red words that say click here to view ebook to open the ebook. This is the cover page of our ebook. This is one of the pyramids that the Aztecs built. The cover is also interactive, and we'll be discussing things that you read today next week. The Aztecs lived in Central and South America for thousands of years, have lived there for thousands of years, so we're going to learn a little bit about them. So when you click the red dot, you get in here, the first square that's in a shadow is the title or the cover page. The next one is the page that we're on. That's why they're shadowed. The third one that says page 4 and 5. To get there, you can either click the gray arrow on the right-hand side of the page, or you can just click on the page itself to start reading. Once you go to that first page, there are some buttons I want you to take note of. On the top left, there is a microphone. When you click that, the page will read to you, but it's kind of robotic, so it's not very pleasant to listen to.
The Aztecs. The Aztecs were a group of people who rose to power in central Mexico in the 13th century.
So you might not want to do that, but you can use it. It's there. Hopefully you have your headphones and you can listen to all of this if you want to or need to. The next button down is the button to play a video on this page. The button below that is a slideshow. Down below is a share button. We don't need to share anything. The plus sign isn't anything we're going to worry about today. And the home button will take you back to basically the table of contents page that we started on. You can also zoom in on these words just like you would an iPad. So on your trackpad on the Chromebook, just use 2 fingers just like you would on an iPad to zoom in and out so that you can see the words better. All right, so click the home button to go back to the beginning. I'm going to show you a few other things. At the bottom of this screen, there are some black circles that will highlight different parts of this book. The first one that's green now is the audio. Every page has audio. The next one is video, so it shows you the pages that have videos on them. The next one will show pages with activities. The next button shows you pages that have website links. We're not going to be leaving this book to go other places today. Then we have a slideshow. We also have Google Maps. Again, we're not going to be doing a bunch of stuff outside of this book today, but if you'd like to explore briefly this one specific area, you can just come right back to the book, please. We will be talking about the things that you've learned from this book next week when you come to library. At the end of the book, there is also a quiz. So you can see on this page, you can see 23 pages. But when you start arrowing through all of the books, there are more pages. So you just keep clicking on the arrow on the side, and once you've gone through all of the pages of the book, I'm going to do that now. So we're just going to flip through until we run out of pages. So there are more pages than you saw on that table of contents page. So you're just going to keep going and exploring. I don't expect you to read the whole book, but explore things that look interesting to you. At the very end, you're going to get to this blue page, which is the end of the book, and there's a quiz button. So I want you to click on that quiz button and try the quiz. You don't have to share it or print it, but maybe write down what you got, and if it was a lot of mistakes, maybe go back and peruse the book again. And we will speak about what you've learned next week during library. Thank you. Bye.